Now, the DCP party leader himself, Rigathi Gachagua, has revealed something that many people never expected, and he has said that there was real drama inside State House. He has stripped Ruto's leadership there, and Kenyans are talking about these things. Karibu sana to my YouTube channel. This is DMTV Kenya, the home of fearless political truth. Before I dive in, tafadhali subscribe, like and share this video, because hapa hatuogopi kusema ukweli. Without wasting much time, now let's talk about what just went down in Kenya, Nairobi yesterday. At JP Muturi's book launch, Rigathi Gachagua exposed the biggest State House secret yet: how he confronted Ruto face to face over a cabinet list. Gachagua's story paints a chaotic picture of leadership.